Scientists just figured out how to give blind people sight using a tiny chip smaller than your fingernail, and the results are absolutely mind-blowing. My cousin Sarah lost her sight in a car accident 3 years ago. She used to paint these incredible landscapes that would make you feel like you were standing right there in the mountains. After the accident, she told me the hardest part wasn't navigating her apartment or learning Braille. It was losing the colors of a sunset. This new eye chip technology is literally rewiring how vision works. Instead of trying to fix damaged eyes, surgeons implant this microscopic device directly into the brain's visual cortex. The chip bypasses all the broken parts and speaks directly to your neurons. The first patient to receive this implant describes seeing light for the first time in 20 years as feeling like someone turned on the universe. She could make out shapes, recognize faces, and even read large text. The chip creates these phosphenes, tiny dots of light that form patterns your brain learns to interpret as images. What gets me emotional is thinking about Sarah seeing her first sunset again, even if it's through artificial pixels of light. The chip doesn't restore perfect vision, but it gives back something we take for granted every single day. The ability to see your loved one's face, to navigate independently, to witness beauty. This technology proves that sometimes the most profound breakthroughs happen when we stop trying to fix what's broken and start building something entirely new. We're literally giving people the gift of sight through pure innovation.